where have you been? Where have you been?
We went to take your Valentine.
Putang ina.
Oo.
My gosh, my new phone. Ay, what's this? iPhone 6?
iPhone 5S.
5S?
Yeah.
iPhone 5S, thank you.
Okay. American. So.
Hey, like that, Ane. Hi. I'm so ugly. Here, better. Yeah. Like this. Yes. I'm afraid to open.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Where's the charger? This one no charger?
No, you should use it.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Yes! Guys! Thank you, love. Happy
Happy
Valentine's!
Valentine.
Lovey! Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's!
Valentine.
Happy Valentine.
Valentine.
Why you're sad?
Not sad.
So why you're not happy? You give me a gift. Why you're not happy?
I'm happy.
See, look over there. You become sad suddenly.
I'm like terribly. I'm not sad. Why I should be sad? Even I have
Oy!
two.
Ay,
I
mashallah.
also have. Why should I be sad? But I like your phone more from the side. See? the
Yeah, it's so
sides.
nice. I like it. It's gold. It's white.
Gold.
Yeah. Ah! Yes. Thank you, love. See, he's smoking now. He's not happy. He gave me a gift.
Welcome.
You're gonna open it, okay? Gonna open it. Wow. 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 I love the color. I should remove this also.
There's a paper.
Yeah, I think I don't need. I will remove it next time. I like it. It's gold. Looks so amazing. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's opening. Oh, hello. Hello. Hola. So I should. I like that. Bonjour. Bonjour. Why it takes time?
Ciao. I want English. Unboxing. United Arab Emirates. Give me a console, I can see it.